Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Huawei Matepad Paper, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all, we have to take a look at this option bar and enter the apps, because we have to find the app called Optimizer. As you can see, in my case, it is in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options and we've got the virus scan. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the information that our device is secure. Of course, if in your device, your device will find any malware, then it will notify you about that, and they will appear right here. Basically, during the virus scan, your device will scan itself, actually in order to find any kind of malware problems and so on. So you can be sure that if you will have any problems, your device will notify them right here, and you will be able, of course, to get rid of them. So basically that's all. This is how to virus scan, or actually find a way to virus scan your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.